Hello guys, good evening. I am Viswa. I am a graduate from IIIT. It's an IIIT institute with national importance. You guys might wonder IIIT means there are a lot of IIITs in AP and TS, but no. I cracked it through JEE mains. So I did my studies in computer background. Here I created a new YouTube channel to share my experience and help the beginners and who recently joined in BTech or degree related to computer program. Here I am to help you with the tech, how to be updated to current market and people who are craving to gain technology. This channel is for you. So why I started this channel? When I'm in learning stage, I wander around YouTube channel searching for what's the best tutorial or video for learning backend like Python, Java, JavaScript and APIs etc. It takes me lot of time and later for front end I have to go through the same process again like for HTML, CSS so etc. I will show you how I go through these videos at my beginning stage to you through screen recording. See, it's a messy way, but now here I am creating videos in a pre-planned order, so you don't have to mess around searching for learning videos like that. So, task of the day. In this channel, I upload 2 to 3 videos daily. I will mention in the timetable in upcoming videos, so stay tuned and hit subscribe button to be up to date. So, here we learn coding like Python, C, SQL, Java, HTML, CSS, etc. Tech tools like Excel, Power BI, Tableau, Git, Docker, etc. Business tips, business and tech tips like startups and where you can get funding to startups, digital tools, AI trends, lot more like this. Main peak of this channel. Unlike other channels, you won't learn a part here and their continuation in another YouTube channel from another person. Here the process is pre-planned and well packed for beginners to advanced level. Suppose let's take a data analyst role. Not only data analyst, you can take Python, full stack developer, data science, machine learning. There are different particular road paths to achieve that goal. So now I am taking data analyst role and the roadmap is to we start with Excel. Like you might think Excel we can get it easy. No, there are loops, if loops, uh, point tables, point charts. It's like whole crazy level when you go through it. What's the role of Excel in data analyst? Like using Excel you can clean the entire data of a company. Suppose take Amazon, Flipkart or any other company. They have users data, orders data and transactions data, everything. Data is important. So they have some duplicate data and they have some blank data. You have to go in Excel. You will clean those duplicate data and you will calculate them, etc. Next we move on to SQL. SQL structured query language. You use it for databases management. It is relational database management. For example, MySQL, PostgreSQL, etc. For non-relational databases, you get MongoDB like that. So later we move on to Tableau or Power BI. Those are the tools to show the graphs, etc. And later statistics to for some calculations, and finally we end up with Python, pandas and NumPy. And if you are comfortable, you can, instead of learning Python, you can learn R language. At the end of this course you are a well-pledged job ready data analyst. So here is the task for you guys. What you suggest to learn as a data analyst? Power BI or Tableau? And Python or R? Comment down below and we will learn according to your preference. Let me give you a short demonstration. Difference between Power BI and Tableau. Power BI, it's a new to market trend, beginner friendly, less opportunities compared to Tableau. Now Tableau, it's ruling the entire market. Complex compared to Power BI, wide range of opportunities. Now difference between Python and R. Python. Python is a beginner-friendly programming language and similar to day-to-day English conversations and very simple syntax. When it comes to R, it's a complex level programming language used for statistics and data science and calculations. So R is mostly used for calculations and mathematics thing. So my promise to viewers, at the end of these courses, you will be able to practice everything on your own and you will stand out in your class, work life, etc. Thank you for watching guys. Meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye. Please hit subscribe, like and comment. Share this video.